Welcome to my home lab. In this new video we continue with Docker. In this video we're going to install Glances. Glances is a monitoring system with Docker. You see it here in action. Go up, see here the GitHub website, the code. You see here Glances in action and all the possibilities. Second website is Docker Hub from Nicolaro Glances. See here how to run it, the possibilities, Docker Compose code. The last is Docker Glances from Read the Docs. Same, how to run it. Docker Compose, you see it here. Possibilities. Now we go to Portainer from our last video 192.168.126.9.44.3. You log in if you remember from last video with admin and the password. Here local and go to stacks. For the moment we don't have stacks. In this video we use stacks to run Glances. What we do, add stack, name, Glances, the web editor, it's okay, that's here. I copy the code, there. If you see the code, that's Docker Compose. Services, Glances, you can choose that wherever you want. Then image, Nicolaro Glances, the latest full, the container name, PID, host, network mode, this bridge, the ports 61208 to 61208. We create a volume, Docker read only, an environment. This means Glances will run as a web server and restart always. The rest we can leave like that and we deploy the stack. Up, we need to download it. It's gonna take some time. Wait a little bit. And you see here success. Stack successfully deployed. Now we can go to containers. If you see our previous videos, you know Nginx, Portainer, and the Hello World. I have a new one here, Glances. See the image and the ports, address, create the date. Only go to image. You see here the image, Nicolaro Glances. Network. We use bridge, this one, that's the default. Volumes, nothing has changed. Portainer data for Portainer. Now we can go to the website, the site from Glances. You see here 61208. We open a new tab. 192.168.126.61208. Okay, voila, Glances is loaded and you see it in action. You have CPU, memory, load, network, disks, file system, sensors, all the tasks. Here the Docker containers and a lot of information about the computer, the memory, swap file, load time. See it here, it's only 28 minutes uptime. Glances, only now created. The next part of this video, we're gonna configure glances. We can adjust all these things. This next part, we're gonna configure glances. Therefore, we go back to the GitHub website, the Colaro glances. We go to the code and Docker compose, click on it, and you see here glances.conf. Click on it, and you see all the configuration. It's a lot, but that's not important now. We download this file. Download it. See it here. It's already downloaded because it's very small, only 26 GB. Now we open WinSCP. We connect to our Fedora server, log in, and we are in the home directory. Here we create a new map, glances. Enter. Open it, and we take the glances.conf and put it here. See glances.conf. That's the first part. Now we go back to Portainer, tags, glances, editor. We open it and we add one line. Copy it, go here and paste it. Side. What we do here, you see here, that's the first part is from our Fedora server, home, my name, glances, you remember the map we just created, glances.conf. The second part is the part inside the Docker container, etc glances, glances.conf. All the rest stays the same. We go to update the stack. It's no need to repull the image. Update. See, it's very quickly. Stack successfully deployed. Now we go to a browser and we see nothing is changed. We go back to WinSCP, glances.conf. We're going to edit it. You see here, it's very complicated, but we're going to do some things. The first thing we do is to disable the CPU. You see, disable is false. We're going to make it true. Save it. Go back to our browser. Go to container, glances, restart. Restarted successfully. If we now go here, you see here, CPU is gone. You see it here. Second example, go a little bit lower. Here, where CPU, GPU, memory. Also this one, we disable it. True. Save it. Go back to our browser. Portainer, glances, restart. Restart successfully. If we now go here, you see the memory is gone. And so you can configure everything inside this window. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up so you miss no new content. Thank you very much and see you later.